Welcome back to Mandy Southern Stitching. I have another unboxing as promised. This came last week. It is the most recent. So this will be shipped in March of the Riley Blake Door Banner Club kits. This one I think is for June. It's called Sweet Summer. It's designed by Christopher Thompson of the Tattooed Quilter. It looks like it's going to be ice creams and sunshines, popsicles, all fun summer things. Can't wait to get this one started. So we're going to unbox it real quick and see what we got. It looks like it's all traditionally pieced. Another beautiful box. So we got the pattern. And it is 20 by 36. I think they're all about the same size. And we have fabric here. Looks like a little more than some of the others we've gotten in the past. Really bagged up here. Get it open for you. Bagged it differently with this. So we have the background right here. Pretty off-white. And we have some blue. So it's like they're all pretty much solids. Yellow, kind of an aqua, a pink, darker yellow. And the same one that was in the May, it's kind of got little dots on it. Pink and red. And we got the same kind, yellow and darker yellow. And then blue, and a tan. This is probably for the popsicle sticks and the cones. And then this looks like it's for the outside border. So, very pretty fabrics. I'm fixing to actually start cutting this up because I want to get this one done. I have one last month's. The May one. Finished it yesterday. I'm about to put it on the frame and quilt it. As you can see. Got it basted. I'm just using some scraps for the backing. This is actually a backing from the very first quilt I made. A cat quilt. So I'm just using the leftover backing from that. And I'm excited to get started quilting these two. I'm going to use a newer, well, it's a kind of a new program. It's more of a lower tier program on my QCT6, just called Edge to Edge. But I'm participating in a focus group for Grace. And they're wanting feedback on that particular program. And it's kind of like it's more training wheels on type edge-to-edge quilting automation, and I probably should have started with that first because it looks, from going through the program in simulation mode, it looks like it's going to be super duper easy and it'll help me get my rows lined up better. So yeah, so we're going to be doing that with these two so that I can give them some feedback on their program, because I want to make sure they optimize it to the best ability to make it user-friendly and make sure they're not missing a step or something. So excited to do that. So yeah, so I'm going to fix to get this one cut and get it pieced. And then once I have it done, we're going to put them both on the frame, and I'll walk you through the steps of how I'm going to quilt it. Thanks for watching.